Yo, what's up? How you doing? In this video, I'm going to be showing you 10 websites, yes, 10 websites that use 3D interactions to spice up their brand. I'm currently working on a website that has to do with 3D, so this took me a while to research and find some quality websites, and I thought, why not share them? So if you find this helpful, definitely subscribe and leave a like too. That will really go a long way. With all that said, the link to the website will be in the description below. So let's get right into it. The first website on our list is on food, news on food. So it's already loaded already, but if you refresh it, it has this loading interaction and yeah, this blur effect. I love that blur effect. The H1 text isn't explanatory, it just says on food, but it looks good, you know, and I guess it's enough to make us keep scrolling. Yeah, and as you keep scrolling, you see this here. If you do like this, it starts to go here. If you do like this, it starts to go here. So based on the mouse interaction, it just follows through, and it has 910 days, very nice layout stuff. And yeah, it follows through. Like you saw in the arrow section, it says scroll, and here it says drag, and you just drag it, drag. I love it. I don't know how to make it, but I'll try to find out how. The major thing I want to show you is the 3D section, but I also love how the interactive the site. It's very beautiful. Okay, then and get your ticket. So it's like an events platform, but really well animated in Webflow. I love the interactions here, like the continuation, how it's, I don't know what it's called, but like each section has this curvy stuff that makes it look so well. I think just GSAP. I've seen a video about this before. And yeah, that's it for this one. And it's very long, but let's go to the next one. This next one is called CHLY. It's a website that showcases a font for sale. And this font is a serif font, but this is very beautiful. Look at this, the arrow section, CHLY, and just stops here. But you think this is the end, like what's going on? Because there's no scroll bar here, you think that's the end. It also has this 3D feel when you move around with your mouse, like, okay, what's going on? If you keep scrolling, you see this here, and it just keeps going, and it's just screen interactions as it zooms in here and so much more. I was even wondering, can you, okay, you can't, so yeah, basically this is it, and I find it very, very lovely. Look at this here, like, bro, what the fuck, this is crazy. Oh my god, I love it so much. It's so lovely. And you buy the font. Of course, this type of font is supposed to be expensive. Look at the size they used to build it. The next website on the list is Wildli, and it's uses 3D interactions for the arrow section as well. Yeah, that's what I'll say, 3D interactions for the arrow section. As you move your mouse around, it just moves around in 3D space, following the astronaut's view somehow. And as you just go, there's nothing much of a 3D element again. So you come to the footer again, and it uses 3D. So that's basically it. It's nothing special after that again, but I find it very interesting. The next website on the list is called Bre District. In the beginning part, maybe because it has taken my cookies already, but at the start it will ask for a quiz. Would you want this or do you want this? And yeah, on the hero section you see this here, but once you scroll, the can stays in the case, I guess, and from there you just keep scrolling. So it's like a scroll animation basically, and I think this can be done with lots of animations, can be done with Blender too, if you just like export this movement exactly to the website. And I think it needs a lot of calculations. I haven't tried something like this before, but I just feel like this is not easy work, you know. So yeah, I find it very interesting. So the next one on the list is Story Protocol. This is very simple, nothing much, screen interactions and likes. I'm not a fan of abstract elements in design, like this ones here and stuff. Like they don't really evoke a meaning, except the brand vibe. And if this is the brand vibe, okay, that's cool, but I don't like it that much. But I just like the fact that they use 3D too, and it's very interesting, you know. Over here, illustrations, and yeah, nothing much again. Okay, yeah, 3D here too, and that's it. The next one on the list is one of my favorite sites so far. It's a Spark, and look at this. On over, this element just I don't know what to call it. It looks so good. And as you scroll, it shows this. It reforms and reorganizes again, showing their project they've done. So this is like an agency, a design agency actually, or design studio based in France. And yeah, you scroll and it turns to this. Look at this, it scatters, then comes together. Yeah, and yeah, that's it. You know, it's very fine. I like it. Next on the list is Time to Refocus. So this one has this on the website is a 3D hero section. It takes a while to load, but it's very nice. I don't know what it is, but I just find it very interesting. It's like a marquee that is curved all over, and as you scroll, this text comes up. Yeah, there's a video here, but I'm not playing that one now. But if you keep scrolling, this video turns to cards, it breaks down, then flips. Isn't that lovely? And these cards can be interacted with. They actually can be interacted with. That's a unique cursor. This is a specific cursor, not the regular cursor on every laptop. So also interesting. And yeah, that's it. Now this one is time to refocus. I think that's an events platform, and this is the websites, the design agency stuff. And in a way, they use 3D elements in their hero section here, which I find very interesting. Look at it. And aside that, that's all. They don't really use 3D much again since after that. So they keep it simple. The next one on the list is CHLY. I want to reload it. I want you to see something. But as it's loading, look at it. So it's zooming in and it just jumps up. Yeah, and it just keeps flying. Now CHLY is like a influencer platform, I guess. They didn't really say much. I don't understand it basically, but I like the animation. So it's funny. I can see the animation, but I don't understand what they're doing. It's the world's fastest augmented peer-to-peer influencer marketplace. So yeah, that's it. It has some animations, some 3D elements like this one here. I guess a Lottie animation. It could be Lottie, and here too. So this, as you can see, there's an animation here. There's a 3D element here. They take a while to load for me. If you put a new tab, what is this? Okay, this is an image of a robot. And come back here. Yes, and this here too. So it's just an image, but with the good drop shadows and all the likes. Very nice. The last two websites I want to show you is these ones done in Webflow. Some of them are done Webflow. Some of the previous ones I shared before are done Webflow, but these ones I found out from when it made in Webflow, and it's very nice. So if you look at this, as you scroll, it just comes up showing the elements of the website of the bike, and as you scroll back, it stays there. So this uses spline, and I'm going to learn spline for this project I'm going to be working on. And this one over here too is also, if you can see, as the mouse over on the element, it shows lights. Yeah. So I'm going to find out how to do this too, and use it in the design I'm going to be working on. I've shared like 11 websites so far that use 3D in one form or the other for their products, to showcase their products. Some of them are template size, some of them are just explorations, but overall, these are very unique layouts and interactions that will be useful in the project I'm going to be working on. Now, the project I'm going to be working on, let me just show you to give you an idea. A Nigerian NGO, or you can say an African NGO, started by Tunde Onokoya, a chess prodigy. And why I think prodigy is like older than me big time. So he's like a chess master in Nigeria, and he has this NGO teaching people how to play chess, mostly people from poor areas in Nigeria. So yeah, this is made in WordPress. It's very simple. It works, but can always be better, right? So this is why I'm trying to redesign it, and I'm thinking of giving it a very premium feel because it's chess. Chess feels good. So I was considering using 3D elements, and that made me go into the search for 3D elements that are fine and so much more. And this is, I will start redesigning it and do some sketches today. But yeah, I hope I can finish the design within 5 days, hopefully, and build at least a landing page. So that's most of it. I'll leave the link to the website I've mentioned in the description below, so you can check it out for yourself. Yeah, if you want to know more about this challenge I've started out, check my previous videos over here or the description, so I'll link that there, talking about this challenge I'm doing and why I'm doing this too. And I also have a Webflow roadmap if you want to learn Webflow, so it's also in the description below too, so you can download it and start using to learn Webflow. With that said, there's nothing else I want to say. I hope I see you in the next video. Thanks for staying tuned, and bye.